Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jumper cables to charge a battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear eye protection and gloves to protect yourself from potential sparks or battery acid. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off, with their ignitions in the off position, and that they are not touching each other. This prevents accidental short circuits and ensures a safe working environment for everyone involved. We'll be connecting a good battery to a dead one. Now let's connect the cables. First, take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the dead vehicle's engine block or frame, ensuring it's far from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground connection. With the cables securely connected, it's time to bring the dead battery back to life. Start the engine of the vehicle with the good battery and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer a sufficient charge to the dead one. After this period, attempt to start the engine of the vehicle with the dead battery. If it doesn't start on the first try, wait an additional 2 to 3 minutes, allowing more charge to transfer, and then try again. Patience is key here. Once the dead vehicle has successfully started, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct, reverse order to prevent sparks. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface of the now started vehicle. Next, disconnect the black negative clamp from the good battery. Then, remove the red positive clamp from the good battery. Finally, disconnect the red positive clamp from the now charged battery. Drive the vehicle for at least 15 to 20 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.